friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making bacon wrapped hot dogs in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, we need hot dogs, bacon, hot dog buns, and ketchup and mustard and any other toppings you'd like. So I'm going to wrap hot dogs and bacon and put them in the air fryer. And you can make as many hot dogs as fit in the air fryer, and the cooking time will be the same. So just take a slice of bacon and wrap it around each hot dog. And now let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to put bacon wrapped hot dogs in the air fryer basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 8 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the bacon wrapped hot dogs. Look at that, they look amazing, perfectly cooked with nice crispy bacon. So if you like it to be even crispier, you can always put it back in the air fryer at 390 for another 1 to 2 minutes. So totally up to you, but this is, to me, this is perfect because it has crispy edges, but it's not burned, it's just nicely cooked. And now I'm going to assemble the hot dogs with buns and then put them back in the air fryer to warm the buns as well. And this is totally optional, you don't have to do it, but if you want the buns to be also warmed, you can return them to the air fryer. That's what I'll do. So let's assemble the hot dogs. So I'm going to add ketchup and mustard. And again, this is just a preference. That's how I like them. You can add the toppings of your choice. And now let's add the bacon wrapped hot dogs. And now I'll just wipe the bottom of the air fryer basket with paper towels to just get rid of that grease. And let's add the hot dogs with buns. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now let's set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's set the time to 2 minutes. And now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these bacon wrapped hot dogs with delicious warm crispy buns. They look amazing. So easy and so good. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. And feel free to add more toppings if you like. These are amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Perfect. This is so good. Delicious hot dog wrapped in crispy bacon on a soft, delicious, crispy, warm bun. This is perfect. Everybody's gonna love these hot dogs. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!